everyone, it's Devin Hayes with your marketing moment. Last week, OpenAI launched Chat GPT, and we are still shaking in our boots. This technology is incredible. What it is a conversational AI system. What that means is you can enter a query or a question into Chat GPT, and it will give you an answer. It won't give you 10 URLs, a couple of ads to sort through, or like a half answer. It will give you one succinct answer. Not only that, with the answer it provides, maybe you have another question. You can then have a follow-up question without having to have a completely different search query. This thing is amazing. Not only does it give you, work with you on informational queries, but there's also the content creation piece of this AI. And what I mean by that is you can say, I want a 30-day diet plan, or create a 30-day diet plan, and it will create a 30-day diet plan for you. You can ask this thing to write you a rap about roofer marketing, and it will. Then you can expand on that and say, will you write this in a West Coast rap style? And it will then modify the content that it just created for you to be in the styling of a West Coast rapper versus an East Coast rapper. Current limitations we know about is that this is all text-based. There's no video, there's no images. We also know that there are no business listings there, and there's no current events. This just changes everything about digital marketing. So look for our next video. We are currently working on a video about Chat GPT and what that means for SEO or search engine optimization, where we can go into greater detail and do some screen shares with you. But we just had to get this marketing moment out because, time is of the essence on something new like this. We hope this is an easy to understand explanation, and hit us up with any questions. We're happy to talk to you about it. And this has been your marketing moment.